Hello everyone, welcome to the Chinese language. Learn Cantonese phrases for beginners. MTR Stations Part 1. Intro and the Airport Line. So here is a sample of the Hong Kong MTR system map, and as you can see, it is a very complex network with 5 lines that you can almost reach everywhere in Hong Kong using the MTR. Now, for most of the cases, you would have English subtitles on these maps, but I'm pretty sure that you guys would also be more or less curious on how to pronounce these stations or these areas in Hong Kong in the native Cantonese language, and this is why I am going to go over every single spot for you in these few lectures. So now let's start off with some of the very basic definitions that you can see from the last map. Now, MTR, what we call it in Hong Kong is, in Cantonese, Day Tiet. Again, MTR in Cantonese is called Day Tiet. This is the subway in Hong Kong. Now, if you want to say road map or the system map, as you can see from the last slide, road map in Cantonese is called Lo Xin Tao. Lo Xin Tao. Again, road map in Cantonese is called Lo Xin Tao. Now, there are a lot of interchange stations in the MTR network. So what these interchange station is used for is so that you can actually catch a like, let's say, Airport Express to the Hong Kong line while just walking across to the other side of the station. Hong Kong actually has a very convenient network and has a very convenient infrastructure that is built so that you can change from one line to another with great ease, and you can do it in several stations within Hong Kong, and they are marked as a long oval that intersects both of those lines. If you see those ovals, it means that that particular station is an interchange station. So now let's talk about the very first line when you first arrive in Hong Kong. This is called the Airport Express. In Cantonese, Airport Express is called 機場快線. Again, Airport Express in Cantonese is called 機場快線. So it can be easily be broken down into 2 parts. So you can see 4 kanjis right here. Airport is the first 2 kanjis to your left, which is 機場. Airport in Cantonese is called 機場. And the expressway in Cantonese is called 快線. 快線. So Airport Express in Cantonese is called 機場快線. So If you first arrive in Hong Kong, like many travelers do, you can buy tickets within the Hong Kong airport. And as you can see from the image on the top right hand side, these are the ticket stations in which you can buy the Airport Express fare to go on to these trains so that you could get to the Hong Kong Island or to transfer to other subway or MTR. Now, on the image to the bottom right is a picture of what the Airport Express MTR actually looks like. So overall, this line is a specialized line so that you could travel with ease from the airport to the Hong Kong Island, the Hong Kong main island, which is the stop station is the Hong Kong and the Central Station. And you can see that there are around 3 interchange stations in this area. So now let's look at the various station names in this airport line. The airport line is in the blue color, the light blue color, and the first station is called airport. And the Cantonese pronunciation of airport, as mentioned earlier, is 機場. 機場. Again, the Cantonese pronunciation of airport is 機場. Now, once you took this this MTR line from the airport, the first station that you would see is actually a separate island from the main Hong Kong island, and the island name is actually called Tsing-yi. Tsing-yi. Now that is actually also the station name for the second station of the airport line. Now, after Tsing-yi, the next station, also an interchange station, is the Kowloon Station. And Kowloon in Cantonese is pronounced Kowloon. Kowloon. Again, Kowloon in Cantonese is pronounced Kowloon. Kowloon. And what it actually means in Cantonese is actually 9 dragons, with the first kanji being 9 and the second kanji being dragon. Now, the last station is a very, very big station, and it actually is an interchange station for 3 lines. As you can see here, the yellow line and the dark blue line, in which I would go into it more deeply in other lectures. But this gigantic station is actually called the Hong Kong Central Station, which is actually a station with 2 names. I could call it the Hong Kong Station, or you could call it the Central Station. Either way, in this station, you can actually catch a ride into 3 separate lines, and one of them being the airport line. So this station, the Hong Kong Station, Hong Kong in Cantonese is pronounced 香港. 香港. Now, it is also called the Central Station. So Central is the downtown, the very, very downtown core of Hong Kong. And the Central Station is the 2 kanjis to the right hand side, whereas the Hong Kong is the 2 kanjis on your left hand side on the bottom row. Now, the Central Station, Central in Cantonese is called 中晚. 中晚. Now, central, literally in Cantonese, is not the same. This is just the place is in which the Cantonese name is 中晚, and English is central. Doesn't mean that they are literally the same meaning when you brought it into different context, like a central park or central library or central station. It might be in a different kanji and a different pronunciation Cantonese, but this place, very, very central downtown core of Hong Kong, is called 中晚, and in English we call this place as central. And this is the last station and also one of the biggest interchange station for the airport line in the MTR. Well, thank you for watching this video. In our next several videos, we will go through each and every station that you have in Hong Kong, so that when you go and visit Hong Kong, you would actually know the Cantonese pronunciation of the places that you went. All of them have actually English pronunciations, English subtitles in the MTR, but it will be actually more interesting probably for you to also learn the Cantonese way on how to pronounce these, because even probably most people in Hong Kong, I wouldn't say most, but some people in Hong Kong, they're probably a huge group of people that wouldn't know the English pronunciation of some of these places. If you actually like this video and wanting to support us, please like this video. If you want to learn more about Cantonese language, be sure to check out our other Cantonese learning videos, and also check out our Cantonese learning apps in both Android and iPhone flavors. Again, please subscribe to our channel to be on the update on any of our new videos, and share it with your friends. If your friends are interested in learning Cantonese as well, please share it with your friends. It would greatly support us into making more of this kind of videos. Thank you. Bye.